Hey everyone, what if your car's automatic transmission suddenly stops responding to gear changes? You check your OBD-II scanner and it shows P0906. Clutch actuator B control circuit low. This means the clutch actuator B isn't sending the right signals to the transmission control module, which can lead to gear shifting problems or even transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll show you where this sensor is located, why this code appears, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0906? DTC P0906 indicates a low voltage signal from the clutch actuator B circuit. This actuator helps control automatic or semi-automatic transmissions by engaging and disengaging the clutch. If the actuator isn't functioning properly, your car may struggle to shift gears, enter limp mode, or even refuse to move. Common symptoms of P0906: car won't shift properly or get stuck in gear. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light on, loss of power or sluggish acceleration. Transmission goes into limp mode, grinding or unusual noises while shifting. Sensor and component location, very important. Clutch actuator B location, usually mounted on or near the transmission housing, found near the clutch assembly in automated manual transmissions. Transmission control module, TCM location, usually inside the engine bay, mounted near the transmission. In some cars it's under the dashboard or near the fuse box. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs between the clutch actuator, TCM, and the main fuse box. May be located along the transmission housing or under the vehicle. Check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0906, faulty clutch actuator B? The actuator is malfunctioning. Wiring issues, broken, corroded, or disconnected wires in the circuit. Defective transmission control module. Unable to communicate with the actuator, low transmission fluid or clutch wear affecting clutch engagement. Software issues. The TCM may need an update or reprogramming. How to fix P0906. Step 1. Check battery voltage. Low power can cause actuator failure. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken or corroded connections. Step 3. Test the clutch actuator. B. Use a multimeter to check voltage signals. Step 4. Check transmission fluid and clutch wear, replace if necessary. Step 5. Reprogram or replace the TCM, if necessary, update its software. Final words. Ignoring P0906 can lead to serious transmission damage. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0678, cylinder 8. Glow plug circuit P0679, cylinder 9 glow plug circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.